morning, guys. Guess where I am? At the JFK airport. So starting a new series. Guess where we are heading towards? We're going to sunny Miami. Wow, can't wait. Just can't wait to get out of New York in this cold weather. I'm traveling by Delta today, so let's go get checked in, get myself settled, probably go to the lounge, get some coffee, wake up because it's like 6 in the morning now. So see you inside. So guys, finished all the security. It was actually not too bad. I would say it was quite seamless. Usually, you know, security checks and all that takes so much time and so much chaotic. But today in JFK, it is not that bad. I guess they're getting their act together. Just being careful about this escalator, don't want to trip. That if you have American Express, I mean one of the platinum cards or the Centurion card or any of that, you can get free access to Delta, you know, lounges, which is quite nice because, you know, just before boarding you get that little cappuccino and kind of freshen up a little bit, and then you board the flight. I like that little perks that come with American Express. So here is JFK boarding area, Terminal 4, Delta Airlines. They've got nice duty-free shops, but duty-free shops are for if you're an international passenger. I'm not, so nor am I looking to buy anything right now. I just want to head to the lounge, chill out for a bit. As I said, it's early in the morning. Need that coffee, need to get up, need that jolt, and then get on the flight. Can't wait for sunny Florida. So come on and let's have a good time together. All right, at the lounge. It's a really nice lounge at JFK. Hi. Morning. Thank you. This is how it looks. The entrance is the Sky Club, Delta Sky Club, and you're taking the escalator upstairs. We have a nice little kind of a reception over here. Kind of welcome people, but now I guess everything has changed a little bit. It's all automated. But let's go inside and let's check it out. So we'll be scanning the card over here. Myself. There you go. That was a pretty easy process. Now I'm going to go inside, but I'm going to tell you one thing. I just don't like this automated way of doing it. I love when somebody's at the reception over there and just welcoming you. Beautiful, nice, comfy chairs. So this is the kind of the bar area. You can get, it's 6 in the morning, so not really looking to get any drinks, but you can get some nice drinks over here. After 12 o'clock drinking time, but hey, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, I guess. This is the area where all kinds of food, they're actually preparing stuff. They have a pretty nice buffet over here. Looks very nice. So got my cappuccino. Ah, nice. Way to get up, way to wake up in the morning. And now some breakfast. And then I'm all set for my flight. Okay. So this is my breakfast. So that's my breakfast. Very nice, can't complain. It's a lounge breakfast. Food is okay. Not the best, but not bad either. Oh, this is a refreshing cappuccino. Nice. I'm awake. Absolutely awake. Man, that jolt. Nice. Loving it. So looking forward to go outside New York City. I mean, I haven't traveled since October and it's January. It's not that long, but still need to get out. That itch is there. So I decided to take a short trip to Miami. So this series will be a short one, but still I will bring all the great things that I do over there. I will show you guys and I'll bring you along. So come on in and come along with me for the ride. So guys, at the gate, the boarding has started. Can't wait to go to sunny Miami. So guys, just boarded the flight. It's an A320 Delta aircraft, pretty basic. Sitting in coach. It's a little bird's eye view how the cabin looks. Seat review wise, very basic seat. They have movies and all that. And I think they have Wi-Fi. At least it said outside that it is Wi-Fi. And for SkyMiles members, it's free, I guess. So check it out if that's the case. You know, it's a short flight, about 2.5 hours flight. Nothing fancy. This works for me. And just relax a little bit. If the Wi-Fi is there, I'm going to work a little bit. It has power outlets and everything as well. Here is the power outlet.
Smaller items that you have on the seat in front of you, place your larger bags in the overhead bin. Because of these larger bags, wheels are handled first. Please be sure that the bin can close before taking your seat.
I'll show you the
We kindly ask you.
So just landed in Fort Lauderdale. The flight was pretty good. They gave some snacks, some orange juice. And the good thing about flying in Delta is the Wi-Fi is free if you've got a SkyMiles account. So if you're flying in Delta, definitely sign up for the SkyMiles account. I'll put a link below to sign up for the SkyMiles account. So, arrived. Let's see how this beautiful, sunny Miami is. I'll take you around. So hi guys, landed in Fort Lauderdale and heading to Miami. So actually, Fort Lauderdale is about 40 minutes, 45 minutes from Miami, and it's a great airport to land to. You know, Miami is very big, and sometimes you get great deals to coming to Fort Lauderdale. So if you guys are coming to Miami, definitely consider coming to Fort Lauderdale if you see that the fares are pretty high for Miami. So I'm going to keep on showing you where we are going and enjoy the ride with me. Thanks. Hi guys, just got dropped off by the Uber. I'm staying at this hotel called ABAE 1215. How cool is the sign? Let's see how it is. I'm going to show you the lobby, the room, etc. So looking forward to it. Hi. Thank you. How are you? All right. I've got a reservation for one night. What's the name? It's Dipanjan Chatterjee.
For now, I'm gonna have to store your luggage.
Okay. No worries. Yeah. So glad to be in the sunny Miami. Look at this weather, so beautiful. And this hotel, ABAE Hotel 1215, is the reception is very nice. I haven't checked the rooms yet because came in a little early. Check-in is at about 3 o'clock. But it's beautiful, enjoying this place. And I'm going to stop the video over here. I will see you in the next one very soon. Ciao.